Welcome back to the FreeTAK Team channel. We continue our series on the kill chain. Previously, we have covered the discovery of the location and the weaponization. And today we are going to see delivery, exploitation, installation, command and control, and finally action. So to begin with, we'll start with our video on the team approach. So that is our team that is trying to reach the location where the zombie ship are located. You remember the story from previous videos. If you have not seen the previous videos, you can see them here. So that is our team on the road, and we can follow what is going on WinTAK. So we are connected to FreeTAK server so that we share information through the server. And as you can recognize, this is a little bit accelerated. And here we are entering the grid that we have previously created. Now the team is moving to the location in the kill chain. We are now here in the exploitation and installation. So let's go back. So the team is moving to location E5. That is where they will install all the equipment. And you can see, sorry, to the right that we are using also a plugin called Xcheck. And every time that a step is completed, the team will signal that the step has been completed. So step number 1 has been completed. And now we can start the drone. So we are looking for the box that contains the vaccine and has been lost in this very dangerous zone full of zombie ship. And we have started the drone here, and we are waiting for the video to come up. That is one of the features of FreeTAK Server 1.9, that not only you can see the drone on the map live, but you should very soon see a video feed. Now, if you look at the map, the drone appears to be a sensor, and then you have a so-called SPI. That is where the drone is currently looking at. So that is the position of the camera. And now we see also the video feed. So the drone is exploring the area, trying to identify where the box is located. And you see how the SPI is moving around. That is when the camera changes angle, and that means that we can see further in the distance. Now the drone has completed the step. You see in X check that has been completed. And what happened is the team in attack will check that step, and everyone that is connected to this current task list will be notified. Now the drone is exploring a zone where we believe possibly the box is located, and we have now a possible candidate, and we start ICU. So ICU is a application that you can use separate from attack, and it's a Android application that will stream your position and will feature a video stream so that you can have that stream from two different angles, from the top, from the drone, but also from the ground. And later we will see how we can combine everything together. So now we have completed the drone stream in the Xcheck, and we have also completed the ICU stream. So next, we have now an idea how the terrain is structured, and we will look at using the rangefinder. We have identified in the red location. You see on the map, apart having a grid, we have important locations with some banners. And on that location, we have a group of zombies. So Valor will try to use the rangefinder to identify the location and distance of the zombies. And you see now he has created a marker on that location, and the marker has been broadcast to all the connected uh, devices. And now Valor is starting a emergencies saying we have zombies here, we should be careful. And we can see also the distance between the team and the zombies on the map. So, and now we go on the opposite direction because we think in the opposite direction is where the box is located. So, and we have received information on the possible location of the box. So that is placed by HQ to the map and streamed to the team that is on the ground. And now the team is going to navigate by using attack navigation to that location. And as we receive better intelligence of the location of the box, we can also place the box in the exact location. That is what we are doing right now. We have also activated tracking, so you will see that as the team moves toward the box, we'll see triangles indicating the current track so that we can see exactly which path are they following. And we can continuously inform the team about what is going on the ground from HQ point of view. Communication with the team is happening through radio. Radio is the most important additional piece of equipment that you need to deploy. So here we see that the team has explored a wide area before finally finding the box, and we use again TAC ICU for locating the box and placing the box in the proper location. So finally, the team has completed the mission, but what we want to do is also um, demonstrate how you can use multiple video feed at once. So we go back to base and we are starting the first drone. And you see it's called Helio Air, and you see also the placement on the map of the camera and on the same time the video stream. And now we will use the drone to place some markers indicating friendly activities on the ground. And in future, we will also create a new separate video to demonstrate how that works. But we have now created the first marker on the ground and we'll create the second one. The name of the marker is automatically created by the FreeTAK app. And you see they're called Alpha 1, Alpha 0. And now we have lift the second drone. You can see in the bottom left corner. And we have also started ICU. So we have 3 video feeds plus the map, everything live, providing a complete overview of what is going on a certain location. And it's really, really powerful. So you see the 2 drones are placing also additional markers. That is a yellow marker to indicate that is a unknown one. And on the ground, we have the sensor that is indicating the TAC ICU. And this complete our demonstration of the action. So that was our last step in the kill chain. So we have explored reconnaissance, weaponization, delivery, exploitation, installation, control and command, and finally action on the ground. And that concludes the series on what is the kill chain and how you can use attack in using the kill chain. In future videos of the MegaTAK series, we will continue to focus on use cases and we will create practical example how to use this wonderful technology. So see you soon and thank you so much for watching this video.